Welcome to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. Molarity is a way to measure the concentration of a solution. But what does that mean? It's simply how many moles of a solute are dissolved in 1 liter of solution. The formula for molarity is moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Molarity is represented by the uppercase letter M. For example, if you dissolve 1 mole of salt in 1 liter of water, you have a solution with a molarity of 1 m. Why does molarity matter? Because we use it for everything in chemistry. In laboratories, to prepare precise solutions. In chemical reactions, to determine how many molecules are reacting. In daily life, for example, when analyzing the sugar concentration in a soda or the salt concentration in seawater. Let's look at a simple example. Problem: if you have 0.5 moles of sugar dissolved in 2 liters of water, what is the molarity of the solution? Step 1. Recall the formula. M equals moles of solute divided by liters of solution. Step 2. Substitute the values from the problem. In the numerator, place the 0.5 moles of sugar. In the denominator, place the 2 liters of solution. Step 3. Perform the calculation. 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25. The molarity of the solution is 0.25 m. This means there are 0.25 moles of sugar per liter of solution. See how easy it is to calculate molarity when you have the correct data? Molarity even helps us understand phenomena like pH or saline solutions in our bodies. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends.